Welcome to all. In this video, we solve a problem on cone. Let us see a problem. Draw the projection of a cone base 75 mm diameter and axis 100 mm long, lying on the HP on one of its generator with axis parallel to VP. So again, there are two conditions here for solving the problems. Axis lying on HP. So first of all, consider that axis is perpendicular to HB, and after that generator lying on HB. Okay, when axis is perpendicular to HB, it means that you will get true shape in top view, which is a circle, and in front view you will get a triangle. So first of all, draw a circle of diameter 75 mm, encompass take a distance of side 37.5 mm as a radius, and draw a circle again. It is divided into 4 equal parts. These 4 points as a center divided into 12 equal parts. And draw a generators of cone. Transfer all the points from top view to front view. First of all, take the axis is given 100 mm. Join the generators of a cone. Now give the names and dimension. It is front view and top view of cone. Now in final condition, generators and its axis 100 mm long lying on the HP on one of its generator. It means that this generator O dash 1 dash lying on HP. So in next step, take one point which represents 1 dash in compass. Take a distance of size 1 dash to O dash, 1 dash as a point, and draw an arc on XY line. So here you will get point O dash. Keep the same distance, transfer the points O dash as a center and draw a arc. Again in compass, take a distance of size 1 dash to 7 dash and draw a arc. Here you will get point number 7 dash. Join the points and offset all the distances. In compass, take a distance of size 1 dash to 6 dash. 1 dash as a center, transfer the points. Keep the same distance, put on point 7 and locate another points which is equal to 2 dash 12 dash. Again in compass, take a distance of size 1 dash to 5 dash. Put on 1 dash, transfer the distance which is equal to 3 dash 11 dash when 7 as a center, and offset the distance 4 dash. And it is joined by lines. You get the generators of a cone. And show the position of observer and relocate the points. Transfer all the points from front view to top view and top view to top view. Look at the points. 1, this point becomes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Look at the axis S and O. by using smooth curve or by using smooth hand you want to draw a arc. When you are looking from top, this portion is whole dark one. So from 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and this part it whole becomes dark one. And join to point O. So there is no need to show other generators, only show the axis of cone. So this is the final solution of a cone. Thank you.